Come with me for a glamping weekend in Slovenia with friends. My friend Joey organized this trip and I was happy to get away for a couple of days, especially because we barely had any vacations this summer. A little escape like this felt long overdue.
I should probably not do this too much.
Upon arrival, we were welcomed by the calm beauty of a lake shimmering in the afternoon light, surrounded by trees and few charming wooden tents waiting for us. The setting instantly felt peaceful, like the perfect hideaway. That first evening, we had pasta that we had brought from home. I didn't film this part, just imagine good food, laughter, and the crackle of fire under the stars. It was simple and perfect.
Hello, ma'am. How are you today?
Alive and free in a glamping environment. I'm glamping. We are glamping with my love.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why do you look at me? The camera is
Yeah,
straight.
Yeah, but I love looking at you, my love.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Yeah,
Love you.
love you. Do you have something you want to tell us, Joey, that we don't know? Have you been stranded before? It makes a good it makes a good it makes a good story if you're suffering more.
Definitely, yeah.
Drinking clean water. We didn't even boil that water. We just threw it clean out of the bottle.
The next morning, we woke up to fresh air and bird song. Breakfast was pancakes, but it almost didn't happen because I forgot baking powder. Thankfully, the lovely people at the reception came to rescue and gave us some. Moments like that remind you how beautiful and kind people can be. I was so thankful of that experience.
Don't let you share. You do share. Says, but don't feel like
Yeah, exactly.
But it's dusty as well.
Yeah, that's
But
good
that's like-
situations that you can't choose.
I thought I had a lot of pancakes. Well, that's- I don't know.
Under the roasted. Oh my goodness. You love to share anyway, do you?
Usually I'm not greedy. I have to specify that.
After breakfast, we headed out to do some grocery shopping, preparing for the braai we were planning to have later that evening.
That is unallowed advertisement.
That's true.
I guess it's not. Ah, this is probably good for your throat. Take it. Yeah.
You're on camera. When we came back, we set up a picnic by the lake. Snacks, chats, a bit of sun, and relaxing together. It felt slow and easy, the kind of afternoon that fills your soul. We had bread. Where's the bread there?
This was filmed on, I think, 20th. We're in Slovenia, at a lake in Slovenia.
Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do. But now when I'm with you, so much time, nothing to do. I'm dropping you texts now. You said you want me when it's that. Being with you just feels right. You said we could meet it when it's that.
Later, as the sun began to set, it was finally braai time. We grilled wings and pork chops, shared stories around fire, and soaked in the cozy, glowing ambience of glamping side. Joey kept spotting shooting stars because she was the only one who's dedicated in
My video doesn't-
looking up. Loved her commitment.
Taking videos of people.
Now you run away. What is this?
Running. Why are you running?
Because I wanted to take a video of the meat like this, like moving.
No. I don't smell anything of the meat, funny enough.
I also don't. I think.
Because mine is like non-existent.
Yeah.
You were in my picture.
Right now?
Yeah.
And just like that, Sunday arrived. We had already planned to enjoy breakfast at the facility, and it was the perfect ending. a sunny morning, happy spirits, and the kind of contentment that only comes after a great weekend away.
I'm not sure. But I guess there will be some information.
All I can say is this
The
trip was
lakes
so
between us. That was
exactly what I needed. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this little getaway with me, don't forget to leave a comment and tell me what you liked the most. And I'd love to know, are you a camping person or a glamping person? Let me know below. Share some love with me.